Alright, so you know how you don't do exclusions at all?
Yes.
Uh, do you have any sort of method to avoid like either bad traffic or high risk orders?
So I would exclude certain countries from checkout or just not give it a shipping option so
Yeah.
that those people cannot purchase. And when those people cannot purchase, Facebook will start optimizing away from that type of traffic.
Yeah, right. How do you know how many countries are in that exclusions list of yours in your shipping?
Probably like 5 to 6. It's like
Okay.
very particular. Like most countries, you can find alternate suppliers for.
Okay. Just because the last 3 days I've gotten like my amount of high risk have just gotten up and I hate seeing, oh, I got an order for $90 and it ends up being a high risk. And yeah, I was just wondering if there was a way to avoid that. But and then sometimes they're from the US as well, which is weird. But yeah.
So what I'll do is I'll go through the high risk um, sort of strategy, like the process. And I actually go out of my way to confirm all those orders because probably 50% of them would reply with their ID, and you would only have to refund the ones that don't reply. So you don't hold on to their money. So you should actually go out of your way and deal with all these high risk orders and verify them.
Verify, like actually go and verify them.
Or like reach out to them, ask them for their ID, send the template within the high risk module.
Right. Yeah. I've just been avoiding that recently because of I'm on the 25% hold. So if I get more chargebacks, that could extend the hold.
But
So
if
I think,
you reach out to them and they send their ID, they show that they're a legitimate customer, would that be an
yeah, no,
issue?
that's the thing. But that's like previously I have done that, and I do get responses. I get sent their ID. They're holding the card. It's fine. Um, and then about a month after that, that same transaction goes ahead and files for a chargeback, and then I submit the evidence and then lose it. So
Even
yeah,
if you submit their ID and emails and everything, because if
yeah.
ID, that's a
Yeah,
lot.
I screenshot all the conversations. I put it in a single PDF, like in the order that it happened, and I type in my argument, and I've still never won a chargeback. So
Got
I've
it.
just been avoiding it for now.
Another thing you do is you can calculate your chargeback percentage, and
Yeah.
that would give you how much breathing room you have to
Yeah,
decide.
yeah. I'm below the threshold now, so I just want to maintain that until I get my funds back.
Yeah.